Number 2. Not as big as the first one. Still cleanable. 0, 0. I'm gonna show these boys how to fish so I retain my championship. Whoop! Might have finally found our spot, I think. Getting bites now, and I just got this nice one. Okay. John Boy's on the board. Alright, alright. Ain't another one. One about the size of my hand there, but good to know there's some fish in there. I know there's some big ones, but just threw in there. But we're gonna keep going. I can catch these little fuckers all day. Come on, man, begging. What's up, YouTube? You wouldn't believe who the hell it is. It's the man, the myth, the legend, Devin Slaughter.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
It's out.
And then you got that guy that sucks at fishing. I don't know where the hell he's at, back there somewhere. His name's Johnny. He can't catch fish, but your local masturbator here is gonna go tear him up and show him how to fish today. Let's go. Masturbator strikes again. This one's a little bigger. I see him, but that's 2 in the boat. We'll keep trying here. Pregnant. Both of them are pregnant.
Got him.
Nice.
There we go.
No.
That's a nice fish. You got him? That's a real nice fish.
There he is. Look at that. You got that video. Hell yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
That's how we do it, man. Hey, looky there. 2 in the boat. This one Leland's, this one's mine, and there's some nice freaking fish. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Just getting started. See, yep, he can go in with the rest of them. Oh, finally a little action.
Oh! That's gonna be enough for supper.
Whew. Come over for one last spot. We know it. Blood bait. And right here. Number 5. Number 6 coming in the boat.
Swimming all over him here. Oh, look at that. What the fuck is going on? You got me sitting there. He act like he really a hungry motherfucker, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. He could act like a big motherfucker. Oh man.
Alright.
God damn. Oh. I'll get him out.
Yeah, no shit. Holy shit. Oh. There he is.
Oh, man.
You got a bite in him at the very least, I see. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now that's what we're talking about. Camera down for a second. Hey, I finally got another one. Would you look at that? Well, not too much to brag about, but we got 8 fish. A couple more baggies of catfish nuggets in the freezer for the fish fry. That's all that matters. Leland. So we were just talking about heading back, making our way back, and look what he fucking pulled in here. We're gonna wait and get a link on it too, but that's a nice fish. That's good. Fucking drug in a snag, but he's still on the fucking hook.
Yep.
You want me on? Oh.
Keep him up there.
Oh, yeah, you need some help?
Nope,
No?
not yet.
I got something hit on the leech.
Big old fucking blue cat.
Yeah, boy. Nice. That's what we're talking about. There's number 2 and number 3. Got one on each pole that time. Couldn't get the other one off before I caught another one. Woo woo! No clean. Pound and a half. Oh, Leland got it. I think we found our spot, boys. To be continued. And another. Number 5. Biggest one of the day, about 3 pounds. Woo, woo. Look who the hell it is. The man, the myth, the legend. Twice in a row I've been on a river and he's been here. And he pulled in a fat boy.
Fat boys.
Here we go. There's number 1.
There we go.
Get him in the boat.
About
He's
time he's
decent.
in
That's
the
a
boat.
cleaner right there, buddy. That 2-pounder. Hell yeah. There's number 2. I got one in the boat now. He's a big old fatty. Hell yeah. Big old blue cat. Look at that. And we're talking. We each got one. I think we found our spot. Fishing in that log pile over there. Got 2 in the boat. Beats the fuck out of our day at work at Frito-Lay, don't it, Austin?
Yeah.
Number 4 is in the boat. We each got a couple. Look at that big old fat fucker. Oh. Oh, yeah. It's a nice one. Number 5. Reeling this one in and that pole took off. I missed that one, but against that bank line, I don't know. It seemed to be a good little hole in there. Keep going. Looky there, another fatty. Can't even get my arm, freaking hand around it. Oh, big old fat fucker. Number 6 on the day. We're making day out of it. Whoop whoop. Turned out to be a pretty darn good day for me in Austin. I think this one was 4 or 5. No, it was 4 something. I don't remember. I just weighed them. You'll see it in pictures. But a couple 4-pounders, 3-pounder, bunch of other 2-pounders, 7 altogether. Hell yeah, buddy, beats the day of Frito-Lay. And number 1. It's a good start. Let's get about fucking 10-15 more of those. We'll be doing all right.
There we go. Jeff got himself a toad. You need a net?
I don't know yet. I haven't seen him come up, but
There he is. Nice one?
yeah, he's decent.
Pretty good.
Fucker, get over here. There we go. Enough 3-pounder.
There you go. Hold him up for me.
Oh yeah. Kind of different having somebody record. Got another one, number 3, another cleaner. Take them all day long, but one of them we pull up is gonna be that fucking 10-pounder. Javen got a gar on cut bait. What kind of fish was it?
Gringo.
Well, I hate them fucking bastards. Jaden's got one. Nice one. Oh yeah, he's decent. Yeah, it is. You want the net? Huh? Alright, nice catch, dude. What'd you catch him on?
The cut bait.
Nice. Hey, hey, now we're talking. That makes the day worth it. Howdy there, old YouTubers. It's your buddy Snaggletooth. I'm back. You know, the mushroom, they done come and gone, but like I said before, gets him a pole and he goes fishing. We're gonna go to the river here, me and my old brother there. I'm gonna show this sumbitch how to catch a catfish. So I tell you what, I'll see you out there, folks. Old Snaggletooth here, we are on the water. I'm out here with my brother J. Ray Mills. And tell you what, man, we're gonna get after them catfish today. Let's go get them. We'll get some of that old chicken liver on the hook. Get them in the boat. Excited? It's high right here. Gotta go get him, boys! Jerry got number 1. That's a cleaner. Good job, Jibber Mills. Jibber got a fish. Well, it's Snaggletooth here. Then J Ray. He wanted to say hi to y'all folks.
I'm gonna catch me a 100-pounder this big. Oh, I swear to God I am.
Alright, J Ray. Well, just a little update. We got one in the boat. So we're gonna keep after it. They'll come eventually. Say bye, J Ray.
See you later.
Well, that there's one of them gars. They're like dinosaur fish. They got the sharp teeth, but they ain't good eating here. You get them into salt water, they're good eating. But these here are just a pain in my ass. So we're gonna cut that and get the hell out of here and go find another spot. What do you think, J Ray?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Got something. I don't know if it's a turtle or a fish yet, but we're gonna find out.
Go get the prop.
Just in case it is a fish. Just in case it is a fish. Oh, that's a fish. Alright. Yeah! Yeah!
That's what I'm looking for.
That's what we've been talking about right there.
You hit that motherfucker.
Yeah, that's what mine was just doing. I got another one.
All right.
My pole was taking off. I'm sorry.
All right. We got him.
Where'd my phone go? Is it up there somewhere?
I can see it here.
Fuck, I hope I didn't drop that sunbitch in the water.
You in there?
I don't think so. Told you. Told you we wanted to be here. Oh, he's decent. He's decent. Oh, please tell me Oh, he just come off.
Oh, God damn it.
Oh,
Fuck.
that fucker's probably still recording. It is. Got my phone, that one come off. Oh, it's time to get busy. Sorry, I'm stopping this video, but that's a nice fish. We'll get pictures of it. Well, I better start that video again because he just hooked him. Told you this is a good spot. That one's still like 5-6 pounder right there. I lost mine. He come off the hook at the boat, but he wasn't that big anyways. A couple pounds maybe.
Might want to get that.
Yep, oh boy.
He's right that big anchor too.
Son of a bitch. Okay.
Oh, yeah, too. Well, he's trying to fight.
Yeah, he is.
Fucker. Dude, let's try.
Fish on. That's how we do it. Just had another one up the boat. Snapped my damn hook. Would have been number 7, but I think we got 5 now. Leland's got 3. I got 2, and we're getting hella bites right here. This spot has paid off every time I've been here. 5 pounder out of there, 3 for 3. New honey hole. Oh, number 6. Hit decent. 2.5 probably. Oh, 3 each, 6 fish in the boat. And I love our new spot. It turned out to be a pretty good day with the old tag team partner champion, Leland. 7 more. Don't mind that little guy. He's going in a pond. But rest of them are clean. I haven't weighed this one yet, but I'm guessing 4.5, 5. Good day. Yeah, we're talking. Got one in the boat. Right about, I bet it's 2.5, 3 anyways. But, just getting started. Well, another good day on the river. 7 more. Seems like 7 seems to be my number lately. 7, 7, 7. But all I do is catch fish. That one there is 4.5, 2.12, 2.5, 2. A few small ones. One's going in the pond, but more fish, baby. Now he don't. He's swimming up with me. So we'll
All right. Good old honey hole producing again.
yeah, dude. I knew they were in there. He's still decent, but
Not nettable.
I don't know yet.
No. Not bad though.
Wear himself out here a little bit.
Oh, Jeff's going. I'm getting bounces.
Get the boat.
That's nice fish.
Yeah, I'd be patient. Kept fucking around for a while. He finally. And just like that, on liver. I think I had a bite on shad maybe too, but I was busy getting this one in the boat. Oh, shit. Probably 2.5, 3 maybe. I don't know, we'll find out, but it's a good start to the day. Numero uno. Whoop whoop. Got it. I started it. Just like that, our night was worth it because it has been pretty slow and shitty. We couldn't get the boat anchored in a lot of our spots. I'm about to show you that baby. Looky there. The night is worth it. Big old fat. All right. Well, it took a little while. Finally got one in the boat. Oh, we're not done yet.
What the fuck am I doing?
What?
They just put a cue in. I am.
Oh, no, cigarette.
Boat went too.
Well, good luck, Tony.
Boat went too.
Bright full moon. Beautiful night out here. Got a couple shit fish. Now it's time to reach out to my big hairy brother. And I about killed myself. Waiting for that tree knock. Is that your pole?
It bounced and I jumped up to grab it and fucking stomped on it.
Stomped on it.
Easy. Get him in the boat.
Went too, but I got it.
Oh shit, get that one, dude. Dad's got two on one pole. Two poles, two fish. Get that one in the boat, Don. Huh?
This one feels better.
Yeah? Want me to grab net?
Little one. Well, this one.
That's a little one. That one's a little one too.
Got a perch.
Yeah, perch.
That was on the garlic one.
Yeah, they like your worms and perch. Two perch, a gar. I had one at the edge of the boat, fell off. Dad got another little one. But that's fish. Still yet to hit our hole though. I got another one. There's two. Not in the size yet, but two fish in the boat. Decent. Looky there, number 5. It made the night where I can't even get my hand around it. It's gotta be 5. I'd say 5.5. Ooh, he's going in the live well. Nice fish. We'll get pictures of him later. Cut shad in our honey hole.